is a test tornado watch repeating. This is a test, only a test tornado watch. This test tornado watch initiates the test watch phase of Iowa Severe Weather Awareness Week tornado drill. Repeating, this is only a test tornado watch.
On space, starting at 6 p.m. on Thursday the 28th.
This is a test tornado warning. Repeating, this is a test, only a test tornado warning. This test tornado warning initiates the warning phase of the Iowa Severe Weather Awareness Week tornado drill. Repeating, this is only a drill. All schools, businesses, hospitals, and other institutions are urged to treat this as if it were a real emergency and practice your severe weather emergency plans. This is the end of the test tornado warning.
You are listening to